This is about 100 or 150 feet away from the twin waterfall on lot 15B, and now going to walk down the trail to get to the pool at the base of the waterfall. It's a very short trail. Here we have the waterfall. I'm gonna get closer. That's one of the potential building sites that has ocean view, and that's the one from where you can look down and see the waterfall, and at the same time you can have ocean view from the same house that can see the waterfall. It's quite rare to have fairly easy access to most streams. Often they're deep down where it's too steep to be able to walk down or make a trail down to them.